Hello there, welcome back to Selenium training. In this training, we will cover how we can utilize Actions class. Basically, Actions class is a special class in Selenium which handles all the events of keyboard and mouse actions. So when you want to double click on an element, or you want to right click on an element, or you want to drag and drop an element, or you want to move to an element, move to the cursor to the element, in that case we use a special class in Selenium that's called as Actions class. So now we will be doing three important things in this tutorial. First, we will be going to one of the elements here. Let's see. I want to go to the kids section, and I will move my cursor to the kids part, and from there I will move my cursor to the profile part, and from there I'll move my cursor to login part, and we will click on this login button and it will direct us to a new URL. So it's easy with Actions class. So let's get started. Let's first create one simple Java project. Let's name it Actions. Click on Next and finish. Alright, here is our project. Let's create one package. Alright, now let's create one simple class. Alright, so the first step we do in a project is we invoke the Chrome browser. Let's copy this property from here. I'm sure you must be aware of this property now. I have briefly explained it in my previous lectures. And let me import the jar files in this project. Alright, some things are getting repeated. Alright, now let's import the packages into our project to rectify these errors. Alright, let's begin our procedure. First, I will direct my script to the URL direct.get, and the URL is mintra.com. It's one of the best clothing websites. Alright, let's move ahead. So first we need to tell our driver object that there is one actions class present in the script. For that, we will create one object of the actions class. Alright, and we need to pass the driver information to the actions. Import the action package. Alright, let's move ahead. So first I want to hover my mouse on this kids element. Let's inspect this. Alright, this is the kids section, and we are having this details for kids section. Alright, so let's create one XPath. Press Ctrl F and get this property from here 325, because this is unique. Alright, this may be changing for you. If you are seeing this video after some time, it may have a different value. Don't worry, just do the same procedure and it will be the correct one. Alright, now we have got the XPath. Alright, now we will be using actions class. Actions dot, this is a list of methods that are used with the actions class. So this is a long list. We will be seeing it one by one in the upcoming videos. Move, we want to move our cursor to this element. I want my mouse to hover over this kids section. All right, dot move to element. All right, Now driver dot find element by xpath. Give it the xpath, and now once you reach there, build dot perform. All right. So what is this build and perform? When you perform a sequence of operations, we need to click on the button. We need to we need to perform some operations to move our cursor from one place to another. For that, we use perform. And build we use when we are doing a bundle of operations at the same time. Here we are doing multiple operations. That's why we are using build. Otherwise, we would have only used perform. Now actions dot we want to move to the element, we want to move to element profile section. All right guys, I'm making it pretty clear and easy. Driver dot find element by dot xpath. We have copied our xpath from here. All right, let's paste it here, and the same operations dot build dot perform. Right. All right guys, now once it hovers the mouse over this thing, I need to go to the sign up. Let's inspect this. I need to click on this login sign up button. So we have here data track. Guys, with the help of this control F feature, search feature, sorry, I am able to verify my X locator, verify my X path here. This is beauty here, right? And replace the div tag with anchor tag. Now it says inspected on it. Let's get this path and use actions. All right, dot move to element, same thing. Driver dot find element by dot xpath. Sorry guys, dot move to element, right? Driver dot find element by xpath, right? Let's give it the xpath. Now here, first thing is I want to click on this button, not just hover this time. I want to click it. So dot click dot build dot perform. When we are working with actions class, these two are the permanent steps to use. These are very important steps to use. All right, let's add driver dot close to close the driver. Let me add some time so you can easily watch the execution. I am adding 3 seconds so you can easily watch the execution. All right, add throws declaration. Let's copy the same here and here. All right, let's execute the script. One Chrome browser is invoked and it will direct you to the URL. The website is loading at the moment. It's still loading. Still loading. Now it's moving to the kids section. It's move to element. Now the profile, and it will click on the login button. Right. It worked fine. And once the website is completely loaded, once this new page is loaded, and it will close the browser. Okay, website is loaded and it will close the browser. There are many more methods available in actions class, and with time we will go through each and every one, but for now it is enough as you got the broad idea of what actually actions class does. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share the link among your friends who want to learn Selenium from scratch. Thank you and stay tuned for more.